Hello guys, I'm Mr. Mechanic and I'm here with another video on my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to design this 3D model in SolidWorks, and here we have the dimensions. This is the top view of the model, and here we have the section view, and we will get help from these dimensions to design this 3D model. Before getting started, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and put your comment, your subscription, your comments give me more energy to upload more videos on my YouTube channel. So let's get started as soon as possible. Here we have the dimensions. Firstly, you have to close the model. For closing the model, just come to the close. Now you have to make a new part. For making a new part, just come to new part, okay? And I'm going to draw the sketch of the section view, then we will extrude the sketch. But for drawing the sketch, we need a plane. Here we have three standards plane: front plane, top plane, and right plane. At first, it doesn't matter which plane you choose, but I'm going to use the front plane. So click on the front plane and click on a sketch to make a new sketch. The sketch here is open. Choose line and draw a vertical line, and I start drawing the line from the origin point. So draw a vertical line, and here a horizontal line, and you can simply for drawing arc, you can simply come back to the first point, and now we can draw an arc here, and here a line, an arc here. So I come back to the first point, and now I can draw an arc, a vertical line, and I connect this line to the origin point, and I right click and select to exit the line. Choose this line here. The line is horizontal, so in add relation, choose horizontal relation, and okay. Here choose a smart dimension. The dimension of this line is 134 millimeter, and the dimension of this line is 40 millimeter. So let me move the sketch a little bit. So here choose a smart dimension. The radius of this arc is 4 millimeter. And the radius of this arc is 20 millimeter, and the dimension of this line is 75 millimeter. So we can see the sketch is becoming fully defined. The color of the lines are turning to black, but the sketch is not still fully defined because it is still moving. So hold the control button and choose this line and the arc here and give it tangent relation. And now choose a smart dimension. The angle of this line is 19 degree. And the sketch is fully defined, everything is black, and the sketch is not moving. If the sketch is not fully defined, it means that your sketch is not still complete and your sketch is moving. Your sketch must be fixed and must be black. Now, if you can't see the, by the way, if you can't see the dimensions or the relations, you can come to hide and show items and you can turn on or turn off the sketch view relations or the dimensions. Now come to the feature tab. If you don't have the feature tab, you can simply right click and you can turn on or turn off the feature tab. Now come to the extruded boss and base, and in selected contour, choose this region. And here must be line. We have to extrude the sketch about 40 millimeter. So here 40 millimeter, and okay. Here we have to make two holes. So choose this surface and click on a sketch. Don't click on edit sketch. If you click on the edit sketch, you will come to a sketch edition. So we are going to make a new sketch on this surface. So here click on this surface and click on a sketch, and in view orientation you can change this view, or you can simply hold the Ctrl and 8 button on your keyboard. Here come to center line and draw a center line. So connect this line, this point to this point, and right click and select to exit the center line. Here choose circle, 2-point circle, and draw two circles on this center line. And hold the control button and choose these two circles and give them equal relation because they have both the same dimension. Here choose a smart dimension. The dimension of this circle is 12 millimeter, and the dimension from this point to this point is 85 millimeter. Let me Yes, and the dimension from this point, the center of this circle to this line to this point is, I think it is 20 millimeter, yes. And the sketch is fully defined. Now come to the feature tab. I have to make a cut extrude. So here we have to make a cut extrude about 11 millimeter. And in selected contour, choose these regions, this one, and this one. And don't turn on these two options. Here must be sketch plane and OK. And now all we have to do is just to make another cut extrude on this surface. So click on this surface and click on sketch and hold the Ctrl and 8 button on your keyboard to get this view. Here choose a circle, 2-point circle, and draw circles at the center of these previous circles. So now choose these two circles and give them equal relation. So you can see here the green symbol, equal radius arc, and choose a smart dimension. The dimension of this circle is 20 millimeter. And come to the feature and here choose cut extrude, and here must be through all. Don't turn on these two options. Here must be sketch plane and OK. And here we have the model. Now we have to apply a color. So here choose this extrusion, and in edit appearance we can choose many different colors. For example, we can change the color of the model to purple, or we can change the color of this cut extrude to blue. I will leave the link of this dimension in the caption. Please practice at home and do it yourself. And I have uploaded over 60 videos on my YouTube channel about designing in SolidWorks. Please watch those videos, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and put your comments. Your subscription, your comments give me more energy to upload more videos on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.